Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are growing some plants that are trending these days and everybody has literally talking about them. Indoor plants as well as outdoor plants. Yes, I'm actually talking about Syngonium plants. Syngonium is very simple to take care plant that can grow in low light area as well as medium light area. I actually recommend this plant for the beginners because it actually grows literally very fast. So it boosts your confidence. All you have to do for the cutting is try and find a node area, which means the point where leaves are growing. If you can't find the node, just clip another leaf from stem near the base and put it in the water. The second plant I'm actually gonna talk about is money plant as well as pothos. If you knows how to propagate it, make a cut at the node. The reason why we cut the node is this point where the leaves develop. The node where there is growth hormones. When you make a cut, the growth hormones releases and helps the development of leaves. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Violet.